In this demo, we're going to take a look at chained hashing because closed hashing is something that you're doing for homework. So let's look at our definition of a chained hash table. Okay. So here we define, we're going to use integers here. We define our table and we're going to give it a size. All right. We're going to use a very basic hashing function. We're not going to worry about clustering. All right. So here's our key mod size, and notice that our table is a table of lists, table of vectors. So when we insert, we basically call the hash function on the key, and then we insert it into the list. Very simple. Similarly, when we remove it, we get the hash function to get us our bucket. We run through while there's still stuff in the table, and if an index equals key, we erase the item. And to search, we hash to the bucket, and then we look through the index. Here's how you compute the load factors. We've got to get the total size divided by the total count divided by the size of the table, and here's just a simple way to print it out. It's a pretty basic hash table, and we can run the little sample here. Okay, and here's an example of it doing a bunch of inserts, and so you can see what happens. So we insert 0, and it goes in 0, no list. Load factor is very small. Insert 1, it'll go on 1. Our load factor is still pretty small. 2, our load factor is growing. 3, our load factor is growing. 4, our load factor is growing, and so forth. And then we start hitting our first duplicate, and our load factor goes over 1, and so forth. So that's the basic introduction to a chained hashing table.